So what if tomorrow you were making 82% more money without needing a single extra customer? Well, that is exactly what happened to one chief Zen officer when they replaced ThriveCart with SamCart's new Checkout Anywhere tools for selling his offers. Now, for years, we have been saying that when you make it easy for your customers to buy, more people buy. And our latest tools for making that happen are delivering on that promise. Checkout Anywhere, the latest technology that helps you take SamCart's industry-leading checkout anywhere you need it, was the missing piece for Sean Fargo and his team over at mindfulnessexercises.com. When they replaced ThriveCart with SamCart's new slide-out checkout and all the goodness that comes with it, their revenue jumped by a whopping 82%. Let's hear Sean talk about how they got there.
We were running into some technical hurdles with ThriveCart. It seemed like there were some bugs here and there that kept impacting our sales. There's not that many bells and whistles, and our average order value is relatively low. And so we were in the market for a different solution.
So try it they did. Sean and his team took one of their best-selling offers, a pack of guided meditation scripts, and tested out the brand new SamCart Slide Out, and the results were jaw-dropping. Sean reported a 22% boost to conversions, thanks to features like stored credit cards and one-click Apple Pay that make it so easy for visitors to become customers. But that's not even the best part. The best part is the effect of Sean adding 2 simple order bumps to his SamCart checkout. That allowed his best customers to spend more.
We split the traffic 50-50, 50% to ThriveCart, 50% to a SamCart version. And I thought that our on-page conversion rates were dialed in, but so if you click on that purple button, we tested this SamCart version, which looks really slick in my opinion. I love the option to be able to add multiple order bumps, which is something that ThriveCart didn't allow us to do. And so we saw a 22% increase in conversion rates, with SamCart being the clear winner. Even bigger than that, we saw an over 50% increase in average order value, which is game-changing.
Now, when you have 22% more people buying and all your customers are spending 51% more money on average, you end up with an 82% increase in your total revenue without needing a single extra click, eyeball, or visitor. This slide-out checkout from SamCart was a huge win for Sean and his team, and displays the power of Checkout Anywhere for every product creator looking to monetize their audience. So, what is next for Sean and the team? Let's hear him talk about it.
We're going to roll out all of our products into SamCart. We're seeing similar results with our other products right now as we're migrating over from ThriveCart. Really excited about the affiliate center that you guys have, which is a breath of fresh air. I'm not trying to make fun of ThriveCart, but I'm just really excited about your affiliate center, dialing in our upsells and continuing to increase that average order value. Give SamCart a try. It can't hurt. I highly encourage A/B testing. Let the data speak for itself, and hopefully you get similar results and help more of your customers.
So congrats to Sean and his team and all the hard work that went into setting up and executing on that test. If you're interested, you can learn more about Sean and his team over at mindfulnessexercises.com. But the moral of the story here is that the right tools make all the difference. If you have that little pit in your stomach that something might be wrong with your current checkout and it's costing you money, do not ignore it. If you want to set up your own test and see the power of having the right tools for selling your stuff, head over to SamCart.com and start a free trial today. If SamCart doesn't increase your sales, then you don't have to pay us a dime. And if you want our team's help to set up that test for you, make sure you click the link down below this video and talk with our implementation team about a done-for-you account setup. That team works with a very small number of creators every single month to bring your best offer over to SamCart so you can get the results without lifting a finger. The only thing standing between you and results like Sean's is having the right tools for the job. Head over to SamCart.com today, grab a free trial. Thanks for watching.